Kain na lang ako ba?
Good job. Galing.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
Sure up!
Really good sauce. I have a lot of tomatoes in the fridge, so we can make it. I'm gonna eat this all day. I could eat this all day. After workout. Di ba plan natin this is to make check the other one? So, di ba plan natin is to make But this is healthy. I mean, yung
Chips lang yung pero
kasi mataas.
hindi talaga.
Don't forget.
Actually,
Masaya po.
Gusto mo?
Sobrang saya. Parang health ba?
Ay.
Masaya ba kayo sa mga
Where'd the other bowl go? Did they take the other bowl inside?
hindi man kasi pwedeng drastic yung transition mo sa pagkain kasi madalas doon nagkakamali
Christian, can you do the 1-minute shower for me?
Yes, yes.
Do you mind counting?
Yes,
That gets sick.
Yung isa. Tama dito. Galing.
Ah, good teacher.
What?
Good teacher? I can be a teacher.
No? Thank you, Ali, for the lesson. Makers. Tiffin
I don't have
makers.
to get beaten up.
Sarap talaga kumain pagkatapos ng pagod.
Pagod mo. Nachos.
Pag lumabas to, talagang gagawin mo mama ko. Ano yan? Ba't ka nakahubad?
Aking boyfriend ko.
Ako din.
Sabi ko na.
Mababaliw na.
Ate ko eh. Yung boyfriend din namin ni Ate May. May boyfriend ka ga?
Ay, nakalimutan mo na. Ay, boyfriend.
I think you need more water than that.
May ugot.
Nakalimutan mo na palang boyfriend.
Wala nang forever sa buong sa atin. Ano? Ha? Okay, wala. Nawawala din yun.
Wala.
Ano yun yung boyfriend?
Oh, come on!
Wala rin yung boyfriend?
Hindi. Paka-perky na.
Pag tumaba
Wala rin
ka,
yung boyfriend.
magkakalaman yan. Nung ako'y mapayat din ang aking ano. Sama, tumaba ako.
Kasi pat yan eh.
Magpapataba lang? Pat din yan.
Hindi naman.
Saka
Tapos yung guys, di ba? Right, boys?
Tapos sabi na yung iba katulad, manaba ka. Tapos pag pumayat ka, iwan yung...
Sa push-ups, tapos may mga machines.
Pero babae, tone siya.
Ate May,
Tumitigas.
pumayat ka daw.
Hindi man tumitigas, pero nag-ano lang kasi underneath naman yung muscle. Tapos fats.
Maano pa.
So parang
Pero pag
yung
nalis
fat
mo
na
siguro yung
meron,
fats,
tapos pag may muscle,
liliit
pinupush
talaga.
up lang. Not necessarily na lumalaki, pero hindi ka...
Nagiging firm siguro.
Parang at the opposite.
Kasi yung muscle, magiging strong. It will make your moves firm, right? If you work out.
Not really
Guard,
firm.
chinelas!
It will.
Yung manguwan.
Medyo tayo. No?
Sarap?
Siguro hindi to sa sides. Mas parang magiging tight lang yung sa body mo, like how it's wrapped around your
Chest.
ribs. Right? Like it's gonna, get tighter. Sarap nung bell pepper, dude.
Actually, the
sweet.
salsa itself. No?
Sarap ni
Sarap ba,
Daniel
man?
Ariana.
Sorry,
Never po kami nagganito.
Masarap.
Asin at saka pepper.
Ikaw parang Daniel Padilla.
Tapos Joseph Marco.
Tapos katawan din, Joseph Marco. Mukha din meron. Shape.
Pumunta dito si Joseph Marco sa amin.
Pero mas...
Kilig ako.
Totoo yun.
Sa personal. Kasi nakita namin siya sa personal kasi kuya. Yung luto na tayo.
Dinner na ba yun or lunch pa rin tayo?
Dinner na to.
Dinner na.
Sunset sa ano kang mag-stage kayo? Mag-runway? Yung radar mo
Model talaga kasi sila eh.
Cute.
Hindi pa yun eh.
Yeah, it's not it.
It's not the, hindi pa pinalabas yung ano niya talaga yung mag-model siya.
She was saying she wanted to see how you really model again.
Oo,
Because earlier you're kind of like joking
Because you're
around.
crazy.
Ate Tuy! Ate Tuy! Confession room!
Sino?
Ikaw. Ate Tuy.
Sino? Ako? Tui.
Tuy.
Tui.
Parang, ano mang nagawa ko? Sorry.
Sino
Hindi ka daw rumampa na maayos.
Magsaing na ako. Ilan? 20?
Bukas mag-omelette tayo. Haluan natin ng kamatis tsaka bell pepper.
Oh my gosh, yun yung ginagawa
bell?
ni Mark.
Bell pepper.
Anong
Bukas.
bell?
Kasi hindi ka nag-onions, di ba? Ikaw ba nagsabi sa akin?
Sinabi ni
Sino nagsabi sa atin kanina?
Yung.
Si Yong, hindi ka daw nagsisibuyas. So sabi namin,
Si Yong tsaka si Chris
i-replace
Chan.
na lang ng bell pepper.
Sibuyas.
Saka tomato. Para masarap.
Oh my gosh, yun yung...
Where's bukas?
Yan po yung namimiss
Tomorrow.
talaga namin na Kuya Luis, yan po namimiss namin kasi yung nagluluto dito na isa, umalis na. Tapos yun talaga yung linuto niya,
Omelette, bell
omelette. Sobrang
pepper.
sarap talaga. Kasi pagising mo sa umaga, tapos lulutuan ka niya noon na parang ang saya ng araw mo.
Can make
Salamat,
omelet and
Kuya
banana
Luis.
pancakes
Ako
tomorrow.
hindi naman ako marunong magluto pero
Make
nagkasuggest
omelet and
lang.
banana
Tulong-tulong
pancakes
lang.
Oh my
tomorrow.
gosh, banana pancakes. May ari na ba? We don't have flour
You
here.
don't need flour.
No?
No. Bananas, eggs, and maybe peanut butter if there's peanut butter.
May peanut butter kayo,
Healthy.
no? Peanut butter kayo.
Peanut butter.
Otherwise, you can just use banana and eggs.
May butter.
Wow, how did you
Peanut
know that?
butter.
I make
Tayo
them
yung
all the
binigyan ng
time.
peanut
Ikaw.
butter. ang-
Healthy living.
Yeah.
He's the health buff. Like, he
Basta ka
eats
naman.
clean.
Kuya Luis loves eating.
Yeah, I love
That's why I
eating.
work out.
Yeah,
So I can
exactly.
eat, fast
Kaya
food.
ba sa
Ay, oo, sabi mo nga pala.
Natakaw kaya grabe siya
Malulungkot kami
mag-work.
pag umalis ka.
Yan, masarap yan.
Yung kami na lang ni Makuya.
Sarap.
Ha?
Umalis.
Girls, ligo na kayo kasi you guys like,
May
Excited.
Mine?
Yeah.
Ligo na kasi marami tayo.
Malinig.
ikaw ating
Ako na maliligo.
Okay po. Ninay, pwede na.
Para hindi saan sa oras.
Nung dumating na kami. Masaya naman talaga tayo, di ba? Mas marami, mas masaya.
vanilla.
Napapais ka sa lahat.
Minsan kasi may
Na nababaliw ka. No?
Mababaliw ka pa. That's wala.
Tapos minsan wala pang task.
What is normal?
Kasi tapos na yung 7th, 7th na kita. Parang
Opo, wala na po kami ginagawa.
So ano na lang inaantay nyo?
yung butuhan.
Ah,
Sa Big Three po.
Ah, sinabi sa inyo kayo.
Pero sa Big Three, sure.
Sure na siya kasi big jump po siya.
congrats.
Ba yun?
Big jump challenge.
Magkikita-kita pa naman tayo sa labas eh. When we go out, we're gonna see each other still.
Sana po. Sana
We're gonna
nga.
build
Yung parang wala.
brotherhood and sisterhood outside.
Oh my God!
There's only one season 7.
Yeah.
Tapos pag nakikita
Right.
tayo,
Masaya yun. No? Masaya.
Ang swerte po namin kasi may mga kuya at
Ako, I can be kuya to everyone. Like, kuya naman talaga ako sa mga kapatid ko. Kaya siguro ganun din yung attitude ko towards other people. Kasi I've been kuya for the rest of my life naman.
Meron na tayo.
saya.
I think this is the last group of people that you're ever gonna know before you go outside and everything changes. That's the thing.
Yeah.
So,
Wala akong kapatid.
you know,
Meet you guys on the other side.
ang iyong yaya.
sounds like you're about to die. So, heaven.
Excited ka na makauwi.
Pero ilan
Umuwi.
lahat sa bahay mo?
Umuwi, lumabas. Excited ka na. Are you guys excited to go out?
I'm nervous.
Ano nangyayari sa labas na? Baka may zombie. Ay, 10 years ako talaga. Every time na may tao po dito, talaga
Kaya masayang-masaya pag may bago.
may
No?
bago. Kasi
Just to see
parang ibang
someone.
tao.
Just to see someone. Yeah.
Pero yung parang nagtitiis ka kasi
Ito kami.
may ano ka dito eh. Gusto kang patunayan yan eh.
You appreciate so much.
How much everyone's good.
Umaga.
Bakit parang anong iyong kilay? Ano?
Napahak.
Nah.
Pahak
You
ano?
see mine?
Parang namali. Hindi kasi
Mine,
marunong
that's
mag-ano
natural. This one goes up.
Ang yung kakabago lang yung makeup artist na ganun siya sa amin.
Medyo bitin.
Mine. Every time,
Pero
like,
meron
there are
din,
occasions where we do,
naman, bakit mo
where we go into the social media room and people put makeup on us, like for like an
Hala!
event.
Oh,
So, yeah, every time they put makeup, they fix my eyebrows. So this is what they do. My eyebrows, this
Do they
one's
shave
normal.
your? Do they shave your eyebrow?
This one is just nasty. You see it? It's,
Better! Better naman niya.
before it's like that.
It's good. You look good,
And
man.
then the makeup artist was doing this one. I brush. She looked at the other one.
there's something wrong with that.
She was like, she did it for like a full minute. She said, "You have a stubborn eyebrow," and then just walked. Tapos na. That's it. Finished.
No, but you look okay.
No, you look good. You don't need to.
You don't notice it. Like,
No,
You only notice.
only when you point it
You're
out.
the only one.
Also my blinking. You guys told me this.
Paano mo tayo?
May ano daw?
My right eye is delayed.
Eh, sinasabi ko nga kanina kay Yung yun eh. Like, minsan may mga moment na pag nakaupo ako sa loob, tapos tinignan ko, totoo bang andito? Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi, napakadaming gustong makapasok. Tapos ako, nandito ba ako? Di ba?
I can't blink one.
Mayroon, hindi pa rin, may disbelief pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sobrang hindi pa rin ako naniniwala.
Jerome, ganyan pa rin yung sa isip ko. Sabihin mo ba ito siya? Yung parang panaginip pa rin.
Alin dapat? Alin dapat?
Di ba
ang mas
parang hindi
alin ang
makapaniwala,
mas
hindi
ano?
tayo makapaniwala. Nandito na pala tayo, no?
Parang
Sa
baka
20,
panaginip
sinabi sa amin, 20,000 people yung nag...
more than daw.
More than
Grabe.
20,000.
Kaya sobrang swerte talaga na. We're so lucky that we're here.
Yeah.
Okay? Out of so many people who wanted to be inside,
20,000.
know.
chance,
Wow.
once in a lifetime experience. So we have to make the most out of it.
Parang dream.
Parang dreams.
Parang imposible
Pero sa
yan.
akin, dream come true to.
Dream ka.
Kasi nung first season pa lang, nanonood na talaga ako. Kina Nene Tamayo.
Oo, nene.
Tapos lagi I always ask myself, like, how does it feel to be inside the house? Like, by watching it on TV.
Yeah.
And then now,
Tumira dito.
I'm here. Like, I'm here. Nandito na ako.
Parang, ako tinitingnan.
Kahit maligo ka lang sa
Don't
pool,
waste the
umalis ka na.
opportunity though.
Yeah, di ba ang saya?
You know,
Nah.
don't even be sad if you're the first one to get evicted. Because right now, the first teen who got evicted, Aizan, he's doing so much. He's a singer. There was a concert outside the house for the Halloween fair, the
Yeah.
weekly test. He sang there. We heard him. He's singing with other artists. First one to get evicted. So don't even
Just been 2
like.
months.
Just be sad that the experience inside the house is finished. But don't be sad that. Look forward to the future because a lot's gonna happen.
But,
Your life will change the moment you step through those doors.
Yeah.
yes.
Sabi hindi. Yapil.
I don't have.
Our life changed the moment we stepped into these doors.
Yeah.
Hindi, you were carried, not step.
You were, she said, you didn't step. You were carried by us.
Very true.
Yeah, that's true, right? That makes sense.
I didn't step through those doors.
From where did
I
they
was
carry you?
chained to a board and carried
We
through.
carried him the whole, like, you see the cemetery? Like, we carried him in the whole cemetery. We're trying to, like, open.
Tapos
Did you all meet
sobrang
inside the
bigat.
activity room?
Huh?
You all met inside.
Yeah.
Bigat. Ikaw, bigat, heavy.
Tama.
We are, 6. We cannot do you. We cannot
Lift you.
lift you.
Oh, something that confused me. Tama is correct. Tama na is enough. Enough now. So I.
Tama
Yeah.
na.
Tama na.
Tama na.
Just like hindi pa, not yet. Tama.
Hindi pa, not yet, yes.
Sorry.
Kaya kumain pag nasa...
Sorry.
Picnic,
This is how I get my abs right here.
chips.
Yep.
Chips and soda.
Uy, yung ano.
In this case, C2.
C2.
Ari, bigay sa inyo,
Unlimited to,
panligo.
may diba?
Panligo.
There are soft drinks on the weekly budget, but it's 100 pesos a can.
Di ba?
Una, sabi
Well, I'm pretty sure none of us are going to get soft drinks.
Nagsawa ka na.
kasi mahal to
Magkano ang
eh.
soft
Di ba?
drink?
Pag 20 pesos.
Oh, 25.
Maliit.
And don't spend any of your money on vegetables.
So,
Because you get.
makaapat ka, 100 na yun, no?
Pag 10 pesos yung sobrang maliit. Tapos sobrang sarap. Mas masarap kasi talaga yung parang hindi yung
Lalo na
acid
pag
ba?
super cold.
Hindi yung acid na maganon ka pa. Ito,
Dire-diretso lang, no?
diretso.
Diretso,
Nung una
diretso.
siya, sobrang excited ko. mga 5 araw na natin.
Ayaw na.
Mga ilang buwan na.
Parang tubig
You don't even have to
Nagsawa ka
understand.
na
You just
din.
look at refrigerator.
Sobrang dami ko to, no? Hospital ako. Na-admit ako.
UTI?
Oh.
Anong nangyari sa'yo?
too much
Sumuka ako. Tapos, sito, tapos kape. Wala ko nun yan.
Chips,
May ano ka
toyo.
ba?
Chips. Opo. UTI
Ulcer?
Cafe is not bad
Kape is not bad.
Medyo, konti.
with the sugar.
Without sugar.
But cafe,
We have
Caffeine?
kape barako. We in
Batangas,
fire,
it's very, yeah, they take the,
in
it's
fire.
really strong black coffee.